Want to learn how to set up the contact form 7 WordPress plugin, or you want to learn how to fight spam in your WordPress contact page, I think you are at the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your contact form 7. At the same time, I'm going to be teaching you how to secure your contact form from spam, so that you can't receive message from bots, you can't receive messages from any software that is automated, which can be for marketing purposes or other purposes outside your visitors messaging you through your contact form 7. So follow these tutorials carefully. I'm Asiba Andrew. Today in Bloggers Help Forum, we are going to be teaching you how to configure a contact form 7. Now let's go to the WordPress dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to plugin, add new. In this search plugin box, we are going to type in contacts form 7. Okay, it's a very popular plugin, so it's going to come up first. This is contact form 7 install. It's very easy to configure. Just watch. After installing, click on the activate button. Okay, that's it. We are going to navigate through the left side of our WordPress dashboard. Click on contacts, contact forms. Okay, so this is the contact form. This is contact form, but we are going to edit this and do some few tricks there to see. Edit. Okay, yeah, you click on mail to be sure your email is properly set. Okay, yeah, this is the admin email here. It's going to be sent to the site admin mail, which is this email here, which is the admin email. That's where you're going to be receiving your messages from your blog directly. Okay, so let's integrate this with our WordPress contact form page. This is the short code you are going to copy. Copy this code. Copy. Now let's create a page. Before then, let's create a page. Add new. Go to page. Navigate towards add new. Okay. Now we are going to name our new page as contact us. Then you click publish. Now let's go back to our contact form. We didn't close the tab. Let's copy this code again. Copy. If you have copied it before, you don't have to copy it again. I just did it for reference sake. Okay. So now you come here, you click on your tests. That's for those using text editor. But if you're using the other editors, you look for the text box, you drag it in. Okay, make sure it's on text, not on visual. Paste it here. This is the code here. Then you update. Okay, it has been updated. Let's see the result. Let's preview pages. Let's preview the page and see. Okay, view page. Yeah, this is the contact page, as you can see it here. Let's try to send an email. Okay, your name. My name is this is Andy. Email is the@gmail.com. Subject: hello. Message test page. Let's see what happens. Sending. Yeah, thank you for your message that has been sent. Immediately you will receive this message in your email. Okay, now that's how to configure the contact form 7. But there's one other thing that you're going to learn from this, which is protecting this contact form 7 from spam. There are a lot of people that want to spam you with their promotional messages, but you just have to be very, very careful. You have to set in measures to avoid the spam messages. So you come here, you click on integration, go to contact integration. Okay, you're going to see different options here, but you're not adding the stripe or any other thing. You are coming to add this reCAPTCHA. Setup integration. Okay. Integration with external API. What we need to activate these plugins to fight spam is just the side key and the secret key, and to get it we need to click here to get it. So I'll open a new tab. I'll right click and open the new tab. Let's see what happens. Okay, please note we are going to activate the reCAPTCHA version 3. Okay, this is the instruction page. You can read this all through, but please note we are going for reCAPTCHA 3, not the reCAPTCHA 2. Okay, so let's scroll down and see. These are all the instructions you will need for it. Okay, I just want us to see these instructions. Okay, then you come here to register a site. You click on my reCAPTCHA. Please note there is reCAPTCHA 2 and there is reCAPTCHA 3. We are going to use the 3, which is the latest version. It works better than the version 2. Okay, here they are asking you to add a domain. We are going to add our domain name. Let me copy it from here. Just the domain name. Okay, enter email address here. Accept terms and services. Accept the reCAPTCHA terms of services. Send alert to owner, says submit. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't write the label here, so I'll come here and write label as techie block. Let's try and submit again and see. Submit. Yeah, this is the code you can use. Let's copy the site key here. This is the site key. paste, go back again, you copy your secret key, you come here, you paste it. Okay, you go to analytics, then you return to your WordPress dashboard, you save. Yeah, that's it. You can see it here. reCAPTCHA is active on your site. Okay, reCAPTCHA protects you against spam and other types of automated abuses. With contact form send reCAPTCHA integration module, you can block abusive form submission by spam bots. You can see that, and now it is being activated. This is how you fight spam messages from coming to your inbox. Okay, if you have any questions, please use our comment section below. Please don't forget to like our videos, subscribe and share our videos. We are here to help you better at Bloggers Help Forum. Thanks for watching this video.